guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a leg closure install. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate the love. Let's get into this video. So of course I love my Bold Hold Active, so I'm going to be using only 3 layers on my friend because I want to make sure that it is long lasting. Alright, so once my adhesive is ready, I'm gonna lay my closure down first. The reason why I like to do mine like this is because I like my placement to be the perfect placing on the lace part. Then I'm gonna sew down the perimeter. So it's really basic. I'm just showing you guys just a little quick video on how I do my installs. already did the baby hairs, and I'm just gonna make sure that's melted in place. And look how laid that is. Yes, I'm so happy. This hair is so freaking pretty. I love this hair. It's really thick, but it's so pretty. Like the wave is gorgeous. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing so much more this year. I hope you guys like my videos and comment what y'all think I should do next. I'm trying to think of some new styles for my page, so I just want to let you guys know I appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Niggas